Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Experts project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $1.867 mark in an unpretentious manner. The kind of typical extended cost for Velo in 2030 especially is supposed to generally be $695, with in every way that really matters expected change somewhere in the range of $675 and $839, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The negative cost expectation for Velo in 2040 essentially is $1.41, with a very possible pretty high of $1.51. Long-haul investigation recommends that Velo cost might actually flood to $1.64 by 2050, with a fundamentally likely reach somewhere in the range of $1.62 and $1.97, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of the essentially the most recent update, Velo really is exchanging at around $1.51. Or so they generally thought. Starting around 01. Walk 2024 Velo generally is exchanging at $951 in term of its worst rate, with a value change of some 19% in most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very critical. Velo has a sort of all-out market cap of $37,752.46 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $818.32, which truly is genuinely huge. This basically makes Velo certainly positioning at 669 in the digital money market, which in a real sense is very critical. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo in a real sense be especially worth in 2024 in a genuinely significant manner? Is Velo a generally excellent speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Velo cost especially outperform its untouched extremely high in a for the most part significant manner? These basically are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an unpretentious manner. Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Velo value sort of is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a by and large normal value level of $74. The normal sort of least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to, especially be $72 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.84 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value conjecture February 2024. For February 2024 the cost of Velo is somewhat anticipated to by and large arrive at a sort of typical cost of $954, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.55 and a very least of $0.49, so Velo value gauge February 2024. For February 2024 the cost of Velo generally is truly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.54, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.55 and a fundamentally least of $0.49 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value conjecture Walk 2024. The Velo gauge for Walk 2024 expects that the Velo may in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme worth of $58 with an especially least cost of around $53, or so they thought. Discussing the sort of typical value Velo can truly stretch around $56 for spring, which especially is genuinely critical. Velo value conjecture April 2024. The Velo cost for April 2024 may sort of arrive at a sort of least worth of $54, while the very greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $61 in a by and large significant manner. The very normal cost for Velo especially is fundamentally anticipated to reach $57 in April 2024 in a significant way. Velo value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the greatest cost for Velo could essentially stretch around $63, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in May 2024 in a real sense is $56 with a truly normal cost of $58 in a significant manner. Velo value really anticipated to by and large reach $61 in June 2024 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value expectation July 2024. The cost of Velo truly is generally anticipated to especially reach at least worth of $961 in July 2024 in an exceptionally large way. The Velo cost could truly arrive at an, in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $969 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $963 all through 2024. Velo value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Velo cost generally is figured to fundamentally arrive at a practically the least cost of $963, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo cost could fundamentally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $972 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $966. Extremely further appearance how Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Velo cost generally is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $974. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be $972, or so they essentially thought. Velo value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the extremely greatest cost for Velo could stretch around $975 in a genuinely significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in September 2024 is $966 with a sort of typical cost of $968 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Velo value gauge October 2024. The extremely normal cost of Velo could basically go to $7 toward the finish of October 2024, which basically shows that besides Velo can fundamentally arrive at a greatest value level of $4, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Velo could really be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $978 with a fundamentally least expected cost of $968, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo value gauge November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Velo fundamentally is generally anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $972, while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $981 and a by and large least of $77 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value figure December 2024. The Velo estimate for December 2024 expects that the Velo may fundamentally arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $984 with a very least cost of around $972, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value Velo can for the most part stretch around $974 for December, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Velo past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been generally diminished by 0.8% in its in every way that really matters current worth, showing how might Velo cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, which all things considered is very huge. Assuming we analyze the very current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap truly is likewise down. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Velo truly